In this video, we are going to study about perpendicular bisectors, what they look like, how do I draw them, and basically how do I find the equation of a perpendicular bisector if I have 2 points given to me. So basically, let's try to understand what a perpendicular bisector is, and for that I would need to draw 2 points. First, let's label one of the point as A and the other point as point B. And basically I need to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line which is joined by these 2 points. So this is that line in between which I need to draw a perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector is going to be a special line with 2 qualities. The first one represented by the word perpendicular, meaning it should make a 90 degree with the black line that I have drawn. So first of all, the word perpendicular simply means making a 90 degree. And if I make a green line making a 90 degree with the line AB, I have many options. I can make it over here, I can make it over here, I can make it over here. Okay, so what is going to be the final answer? Which line among all of these 3 is the right one? For that, we need to look at the second definition of perpendicular bisector, and that is the word bisector. In maths, the word bisect means dividing into 2 equal parts. So once again, bisector is also referring to a line which basically divides the black line into 2 equal parts. So bisector simply means dividing into 2 equal parts. So this completes the definition of perpendicular bisector. It's such a special line which not only cuts the black line AB by making a 90 degree with it, but it also has to divide it into 2 equal parts. So if I try to make that on the screen over here, it's gonna be a line something like this. So this special green line over here, it not only makes a 90 degree with my original line AB, but also divides it into 2 equal parts. Moreover, you should also understand that if I may present myself as walking on this green line over here, as long as I am walking on the green line on the perpendicular bisector, I would be at an equal distance away from both points A and B. That's what it means to be bisecting. Okay, so no matter where I draw myself on the green line, I need to picture myself as equidistant from point A and B. Equidistant is a term which basically means at an equal distance away from point A and B. So it's not only this special midpoint over here which signifies this property of being equidistant. Throughout this green line, which is obviously called as the perpendicular bisector, as long as I am on the green line, I will be at an equal distance away from both points A and B. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Let's call it as PB.